You land in a new country. New air, new people, new language. You feel excited, curious, alive. You walk confidently to the luggage belt. You watch bags come out one by one. Black suitcase, blue suitcase, red backpack. People smile, grab their bags, and leave. The belt slows down, then stops. Your bag is not there. You look again. Maybe you missed it. Maybe it will come again. But the screen turns off. The belt is empty, and your suitcase is gone. Your heart beats faster. Your hands feel cold, and the only English sentence your brain produces is, "My bag not here."
Or maybe your flight gets delayed. 3 hours, 5 hours, 8 hours. You're tired, hungry, confused. People around you are talking fast English, and you want to ask a simple question, but your mind freezes.
Or the hotel says, "Sorry, we don't see your booking." Or the taxi driver takes the wrong road. Or your passport disappears from your pocket. Travel problems don't ask permission. They just happen.
And when they happen in another country, English becomes survival, not just language.
If you have ever felt nervous, embarrassed, or helpless while traveling because you didn't know what to say in English, today's episode will change that. Not with big vocabulary, not with difficult grammar, but with real sentences you can actually use. Intro. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ease, where learning English is easy, natural, and practical. I'm Sarah, your English teacher.
And I'm Alvin. And honestly, I used to fear airport conversations more than turbulence.
You're not alone. Millions of people travel every year, but when a small problem happens, they suddenly feel small themselves.
Because we think we need perfect English.
But the truth is, you don't need perfect English, you need clear English. Sarah, let's start with the most common problem, lost luggage. Instead of broken sentences like, "My bag no come," upgrade it slightly to, "My luggage didn't arrive. I can't find my suitcase. My bag is missing." These sentences are short, polite, and strong.
What if I want to sound calm and not panicked?
Add one soft word. Excuse me. Excuse me, my luggage didn't arrive. Excuse me, I can't find my suitcase. That one phrase changes your tone completely.
And if they ask for proof?
You can say, "Here is my baggage tag. This is my ticket. Can you help me track my bag?" Notice, no big grammar, just clarity. Now delayed flights, very emotional moment. Instead of "plane late," say, "My flight is delayed. Do you know the new time? How long is the delay?"
And if I have a connecting flight?
Very important sentence. "I might miss my connection." That one line can save your entire trip. If the flight is canceled, you don't argue, you ask options. What are my options? Can I get another flight today? Is there a refund available? Can you rebook my ticket? These sentences show maturity and control.
Control is everything when stressed.
Another common issue, mistakes on tickets. Instead of panicking, say calmly, "I think there's a mistake on my ticket. The date seems incorrect. This isn't my seat number."
Seems incorrect sounds very polite.
Exactly. Polite English opens doors faster. Now imagine you arrive at a hotel after 14 hours of travel. You're exhausted. All you want is a bed. But they say, "We don't see your reservation." Your brain screams, but your mouth should say, "I have a booking under my name. Here is my confirmation email. Could you please check again?"
3 calm sentences. Huge impact.
Travel problems happen everywhere. If driver goes wrong direction, "I think this is the wrong way. Can you follow the GPS, please?" If price feels wrong, "The price seems too high. Can you show me the meter?" No anger, just clarity.
This is my nightmare.
And that's why you must know these lines. I lost my passport. I need help immediately. Where is the nearest embassy? Strong sentences save time. Extra daily travel phrases. Here are small phrases that help everywhere. Could you repeat that, please? I didn't understand. Can you speak slowly? Thank you for your help. These sentences are universal keys.
Airport staff. How can I help you?
Hi, my luggage didn't arrive. I've been waiting for 30 minutes. Here is my baggage tag. Can you help me track it?
Sure. Please fill this form.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
See the tone? Calm, respectful, confident. That's travel English.
Pause for a moment and answer in English. Have you ever lost luggage? Have you experienced a delay? What travel problem scares you most? Even one sentence builds courage.
Speaking alone is practice. Speaking out loud is power.
Travel should create memories, not fear because of language.
You don't need thousands of words. You need the right words at the right moment.
When you know what to say, your shoulders relax, your voice becomes steady, and problems feel smaller.
Before your next trip, practice these sentences in front of a mirror, in your room, in your car, anywhere.
Confidence is not born at the airport, it's built before the journey.
If this episode helped you, subscribe to English with Ease, like the video, and share it with someone who dreams of traveling confidently.
The world is big, languages connect it, and your English voice is your passport to freedom.
Keep speaking, keep learning, keep exploring.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, travelers.
Bye, everyone.